How to set dark mode on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to set dark mode on Play Store fast and easy. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile here, and now click settings and then click general, and now all you need to do is just click this one, and then click on dark mode, and as you see Play Store now is on dark mode. Let's try to set back again to light mode. Just click here, here, and then click them, and then click this one. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.